Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market. For the last couple of weeks, market has been acting crazy on Monday, so we were a little bit skeptical about the market opening. But we can see the market is behaving like a normal market. Okay, there's low volume in a market, as a result of which market is trading in a range right now. So right after the marketing, we saw market going down a little. Okay, market made low for around 2643. Market recovered immediately. Market reversed on 2655. We had a sell opportunity on 2657, 2656 area, and right now market is trading on 2653. So my dear friends, let's look at the market sentiment first. Dollar holds steady ahead of Fed meeting. Gold edges higher Fed meeting in focus. So we can see the market is mostly waiting for the upcoming FOMC. So we can expect that market will remain sideways or market will remain choppy for the next 2 or 3 days. Market should not show a crazy up move or down move. Means we should not be expecting a complete trending market as of now. If we look at the US government bond yields, then we can see that bond yields was also responsible for the downside on the chart of gold, and bond yields have shown a little rest right now. But yes, if bond yields continue the upside again like this, then obviously we will see some pressure on the chart of gold again. But possibility of gold heading towards 2550, 2500 before FOMC is very less. Before a major event like NFP, CPI, FOMC, market usually prefers to stay silent or choppy. Okay, so if you made some profits around this area, then well and good. But during the day, if market goes up again, chances of market reversing from this area is very less, because this particular zone has did the job. So do not expect again. Okay, the next selling opportunity on the chart of gold may come around 2665 to 663. So this is the second level on the chart of gold where we can expect to make 40 to 50 pips during the day. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So we are considering 266365 area because of 200 moving average acting as dynamic resistance, and moreover we have, I think we have resistance from FIBO. Yeah, we have FIBO 0.236 around 62 63 area as well. So we are combining both the things here, the 200 moving average plus FIBO, and expecting some selling opportunity around this area. And if market goes up, then obviously it may not work also, because after a volume will be important, low level is permanent. So suppose during the US session market forms a big green candle, you'll see market standing at 2665 with a big green candle. Do you think you should go for a sell? Obviously no. In that case, we can look for a sell around 2675 area as well. And the support levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Means in case of a crash, in case of a sudden downside, on the chart of gold, 260510 is still the best support. Why we are discussing about sudden crash? Because market is full of surprises. So as a retail trader, we can just expect to react according to the various market situations. So in case of a sudden downside or crash in the market, we can look for a buy around 260510. The second support on the chart of gold is around 2625, 2629. Okay, so these two levels are still very much valid. 260510 is the best support, but 260510 is little far away. So the first support that we need to observe is around 2625, 2629. Okay, so why are we considering these two levels? Okay, because market has taken support previously, so that's why we have a belief that market will be taking support again. Buyers around this area will provide some support. If they does provide support, then obviously we can look for a buy position. On Saturday, we also discussed about 2637. So the level of 2637 is still valid in the market, but as I said also on Saturday, this is a weak level, minor level. Do not hope for a reversal or support in case market shows heavy volume. So the support on 2637 is little skeptical. For example, if you see market going down with small candles, then only you can expect support around 263736. Otherwise, 2637, 2636. Okay, this area may not work. So weak level. Okay, so low volume is preferred. And on Saturday, we also discussed about a sell stop, or not sell stop, actually sell and breakdown below 2646 area. But we can clearly see right now that volume is missing. So whenever volume is missing in any market, okay, not only in any market, breakout and breakdowns can be dangerous, because for any breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. If volume is missing, it can be a false breakout. And if you have any ongoing sell in the market right now, you can continue with the sell position, because we can see that overall the stance of market is little bearish right now. I won't say the trend of the market is bearish, because we do not have any clear trend present. Now, if you look at the higher time frame like the daily or the weekly, yes, the market is still extremely bullish. So position traders, buy at support, buy at dip is the best trading strategy. But swing traders, if you're holding your sell position or short position from above, you can continue, because at present market is under correction. Yes, technical correction only, and we can expect a little bit of an downside move. And day traders, you need to go with the flow. You need to stick to the levels. That's it. My dear friends, from this week onwards, yes, from Friday, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. Okay, I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. So these are the dates. My dear friends, you can check out everything. As I said, 1 month support means you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis on the WhatsApp. We also have a Telegram community, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. You will also be getting risk management guide, checklist, lot size calculator, because you don't even realize that lot size or risk management or discipline, how okay, crucial role they play in our trading. We believe that strategy is the most important thing, but strategy plays a very minor role. Okay, so you will be receiving all this guidance, and hopefully it will change your trading completely. And if you want to no, okay. How does the WhatsApp group looks like? Just watch the sample from here. Okay. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the weekly sessions. All the sessions are conducted over Google Meet. In case you are unable to attend also, no need to worry. I record each and every session. You will get a recording. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20, so rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. And if you're looking for personal sessions, longer relationship, because trading takes time. It's a journey. In 1 or 2 months, it is not possible. Okay, so if you're looking for a longer relationship, you can sign up for a semi-annual or lifetime support as well. And these are the payment methods. So once you're done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful.